Wanna make money from home with just a click? What if I tell you you can earn $1 for each task? Or even $2 till $3 each minute? Don't believe me? Okay, watch the video till the end. Name is Paid Work. Sign up with your email account. Here is your dashboard. Now go to Earn. You can see here that for each 100 point equals $1. You can earn by playing games. You can play on Android or iOS. You can also earn by completing surveys. To be able to withdraw money, you should add payment method here. You can also share your referral link. For each person pays out, you get $10. Now go try it yourself. If you want to know how to earn by just shortening links, watch my video. You will find link in description. Thank you for watching.